At 25, Jim Rohn was broke, in debt, and going nowhere. One afternoon, a Girl Scout knocked on his door selling cookies. He didn't have the change to buy a box. He pretended no one was home. That moment broke something in him. Not long after, he met Earl Schoaf, a self-made millionaire who looked at Rohn and asked one simple question. "How much money have you saved in the last 6 years?" Nothing. Schoaf didn't comfort him. He didn't soften it. He told Rohn the truth that most people spend their whole lives running from. The problem isn't the economy. It isn't your boss. It isn't your circumstances. The problem is you. That one honest conversation became the seed of an entire philosophy. Radical personal responsibility. The idea that your life is exactly the result of your choices. Rohn carried that lesson everywhere. He built a career on it. He passed it to a young Tony Robbins. And it all started because one man refused to lie to him.